Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you guys my new my homemade call point. So this used to be like this HDMI like thing. So you'd plug them in the bottom. That's like a button. So what I did is I wrote fire and I got some tape and put it on and made this like mini homemade little call point. Should I try and wire this and rate it on a scale from 0 through 10? Like in the comments. So if you guys think it's yeah, put yes, that's cool, I would like you to wire it. And then put yeah at the end and then put like obviously your rating on it. And then if you think it's nah, just put whatever and you'll get reported. But yeah, so basically to push, look, you see that button, push. Then it gets pushed in, like that. To reset, just push on it, like that. So yeah. Yeah, so I quite like it. It's tiny. It literally fits in my pocket. Because let's just say, here's let's just say, like here there's just a bit of a screwdriver. And then that's it up against it. Yeah, pretty big difference. But, I mean, hang on, put that back. Like, look, I mean, it fits in my hand. I mean, it's a good little fidget toy. So, I mean, if I was to wire this, I'd have to basically get my HDMI cable, plug it in, then on the other end I would have to snip it. Then, like, take the wire out and, like, wire it. Or something like that. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I've got some glass, if you see my latest shot. So, I mean, I could put some of that over to make it break glass. And then to test, just take the glass off and push. Or, like, maybe put the glass above, like the old call points, and then push. Like, or put a key in the bottom. Like that. But, yeah, on the scale of 1 to 10, put in the comments if you like it, yes or no. And put if you want more content like this. And bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.